Alright guys, it's William, and let's continue our journey of Godot. And right now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of animation. Really simple. You just need to add more things and attach that to the node. So you got like Sprite 2D here, right? You can right click, you can add a child node. Of course, you can command an A. So if you come from Blender, just shift an A. And then Godot, command an A. Really simple. Okay, and then you can search. Since we're going to do an animation, animación, animation, and I'm animation player. Click it, create it. We'll create another child node that attach to the object or to the node or to the thing that we want to like a Rango and play around with. So what I'm going to do is to want to add a little bit of animation. So basically, Sprite 2D will have a certain animation to it. So in order to have a little bit of animation, we can transform this Godot guy. Okay, so how to do that? Pretty simple. And if you say I want like a position to change, okay, I want to like change from here to here, whatever. It doesn't actually animate. Okay, so for example, if I change that say to 100, it will instantly move. And this kind of change will not be recorded in the animation. So how to do that? You need to create an animation. So we need to go to animation player. Remember here we go to animation. We'll click it. Okay, make a new animation. Okay, I'm going to say that it will be move. Okay, I can move and moved from left to right. Really simple. Okay, and I'm going to get a sprite here. And since the sprite is like a odd position, so 0, and then 0, just make it like go back to its original position. So 0 0, start from left top corner, and you click play this game. You would move to a specific place. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to change its position. Okay, if you look at here, if you hover over it, you get position relative to node's parent. Right now, the Sprite 2D is the parent, so you can just use this to change the parent as well as the children's all position. But the children position, by the way, is relative to the parent. So yeah, so for example, you go like a left and right like hand of this Godot. Okay, you change it, the hand will change. But if you look at the hand, the position will be like 0 because it's like relative position rather than the absolute world position. Okay, just a quick note. So basically, you're going to add a specific keynote at this specific time and then go to that places and that add a keynote as well. So pretty simple. Let me just add a keynote here. So here, just the position, add that, create a new track for property position and insert key. That key is that specific moment. I want that, so I'm going to insert it. Okay, so let's just create. So if you look at here, we got like position already like a dotted here. That's good. And then we can change the position. So what I'm going to do is to, just change that to say 1, okay? And then I'm going to change that to a different position. So for example, X, change that to 100, okay? Y, change that to, I don't know, 50, okay? So I want to change that, and of course I want to insert another. Okay, so if you click it, you can see we got like a diamond sort of a shape directly here. Okay, that's like this place. Okay, and you will insert it here, and then we can loop this as animation looping, and we can click here, automatically play unload, and let's test it out. Okay, so remember Command and R to run. Of course, you can just just manually run this scene. Okay, run specific scene, run custom scene, run current scene. Yeah, here. So save scene, and let's look at it. So it's moving, and you can sort of see the glitch here because it moved to a specific place and jump it back, loop it, jump it back, loop. Okay, that's pretty much all. Of course, you can add rotation, add flipping, something like that. So move to crazy places and then go back. All that, just yeah, really simple. Really simple. Just insert key and move to a specific time. Insert key. Really simple. Hope you like it. please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel if you like my content.